Hello everyone, so today we will check some information about modeling tools which is listed down here. Here you will see my keyboard and mouse operation which I'm performing just in case. Okay, so let's create a cube. Like you see, shift right click and I can pick it, or you can go under polymodeling, click in order to get a cube. In order to get a cube, just unclick the interactive creation. So if you will use interactive creation, need to draw it, scale it like that. And to be honest, I don't like it, so this is the reason I have unticked that operation. Great. So we have a cube. We need to start with a combine operation. Yeah. So okay, just edit and Control D. It's a shortcut in the right position. So in order to duplicate the object, you can press Ctrl D or just press this duplicate command. And as you can see in here, this button opens the outliner. And right now we have two objects. I will just move it to the side a bit. So you can see the object 1, cube 1, cube 2 select. Great. So each of the objects has this pivot, or let's say this gizmo, yeah, on which we can rotate, move the object. Yep. So we want to merge them into one. Let's press combine, and as you can see in our outline right now, this P1 cube and P cube 2 became P cube 3. Great. So this object already merged. Can go to the, let's say, gizmo tool and check and see we have one object. However, in outliner we can see that these two red objects persist of the E cube1, E cube2, and this is a history which we don't want to have. Yeah. So as you can see in our channel box, there is some record as well in our outliner. And if we will perform a lot of such operations, the Maya will start lagging. Definitely it's a very small amount and you can ignore it for now, but just in case. So you need to clear the history. So let's select the object, go to the edit, delete by type, history, or you can just delete by shortcuts, Alt Shift D, or you can go delete all by type history. Okay, so as you can see, we remove all the red things from history and we left only with this P cube 3. Awesome.